Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel. This is a review of WLtoys 144001 1:14 scale buggy. First of all, thank you Banggood as always for sending me this car for a review. Honestly, I'm not familiar with off-road cars such as this. I only do micro cars, something like Mini Z. So please forgive me if I miss something. Comment below what you want to know and I'll try to answer it. Now let's get on with the review. The box is nice and strong. It's not going to get crushed easily during delivery. Inside the box, we have the manual, which is very detailed. WLtoys has done a very good job as always. There's a plastic wrench for the wheels, which will come in handy very soon. Here's a USB charger for the battery. It works fine, but I highly recommend using a proper LiPo charger instead. The radio is 2.4 GHz. There are 3 adjustments. Steering trim to make it go straight. Throttle yaw rate to limit the speed. And mode, which doesn't do anything for this car. And here is the car. Straight away, you can see that it is really well made, with metal bits all around, from chassis plate to shock towers. It is very well designed, because WLtoys didn't actually design it. You might be thinking, hang on a minute, this car looks rather familiar, and you'd be right. This is a clone of LC Racing EMB with some differences. The suspension is pretty much the same, with adjustable camber. Front toe and oil-filled shocks. CVDs at the front and dog bones at the back. Then finally we have front and rear gear differentials. All the gears are metal, except for the spur gear, which is plastic. However, this one doesn't have slipper clutch, and neither the adjustable motor mount. But it has holes for a smaller motor. Also, as far as I know, bearing size are not the same as LC Racing either. Let's move on to the wheels and tires. The tires are glued from the factory. Wheel nut size is M3. Wheel hex is 12mm, so you have many choices for the wheels. My 1/10 rift wheels and tires also fit. Obviously, they want to make it fast, because who doesn't like fast car? But using 390 motor won't cut it, and using brushless system will increase the cost. So they went with tried and tested method of shoving the biggest motor in and call it a day. And we ended up with 550 motor in 1:14 scale car, which is insane. Just look at the size of the motor compared to the car. So what's the result? It is really fast. You can find speed test videos showing it can really do close to the advertised 60 km an hour. I can't do such test, but I can assure you that it's fast enough to make the car fly off any ramp or cliff you can find. The electronics is 2-in-1 unit with 5-wire servo, full proportional on both steering and throttle. Steering is fast, but the resolution is not very good. The included battery is 2S LiPo, 1500 mAh. Giving it about 8 minutes of runtime. The battery tray can be adjusted to accommodate longer battery. You'll also need longer battery strap too. I've seen some report that 3S LiPo fries the ESC or motor, but some were successful, so try it at your own risk. I'm not going to do it, because for me, 2S is fast enough. Before the first run, I suggest you to take the wheel nuts off and drop some thread lock before putting them back in, because the wheel nuts come off very easily. Actually, you'd better change the wheel nuts to better ones. Then I went for a test drive, and you might have seen the video already. If not, link is in the description below. Handling is pretty good. However, the car is a bit too heavy to one side, and it is very rear heavy. So sometimes a front wheel lifts up in hard cornering. I think I can tinker with the coilovers to get better handling out of this. I haven't run out of transmission wrench yet. It'll go as far as my eyes can see. It is pretty durable. As you can see, I crashed a lot and did some cartwheels. After the run, I checked for damage, and there are only scratches under the car. Nothing breaks, except for a wheel came off, and I lost a wheel hex pin. The pin is not the same size as 1/10th car that I have, so I made a new one out of a paperclip, and it works perfectly. Overall, I am really impressed by this car. Power is good, handling is good. If it has slipper clutch and adjustable motor mount, it would be perfect. You don't really need to upgrade anything. Just run it as it is and replace the broken or worn out parts. The price before discount coupon is $90. And this car is not just good for the price, it's a good car, period. Spare parts are starting to come out now, so hopefully we'll get the complete set soon. I'll keep running it and do some more updates in the future to show you if it develops any problem in long run. Also, hopefully it'll snow this year, so I can test it on snow and ice. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook to see what I'm doing between videos, along with some quick updates. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.